First discovered Oval Renewables a few years ago whilst exploring options on YouTube. At the time, Sam was assisting another electrician get into renewables. And so I started exploring Oval Renewables as a whole and found them quite an interesting organisation where customers are really at the forefront. Starting with the design process, I sent Sam a list of requirements. Sam replied by giving a call and we talked through a few options. And that was then refined into a full proposal, which helpfully also had a walkthrough. So it was good to understand why Oval had chosen various components, how it fitted into the system, and what that would give me. I think for me it was important not to just buy a standard off-the-shelf solution. It was more about getting a bespoke solution that was fit for what I wanted to achieve here. And then walking through the actual process was quite easy. So once we agreed on the design and went through the contract stage, I was constantly being kept up to date on progress from Oval, and we had a date for early March, which ultimately actually moved forward a week. And then the Friday before the installation, the scaffolding was put up. On the day of installation, we had the on-site team turn up, and straight away they got into it. Very, very rapidly sort of did the EV charging side, started locking out the roof and doing some of preparing the cables. The following day, more people arrived, and it really started accelerating from there. It was a little bit of a tricky one because at the end of February, the ground was solid, so the trench work was more of a challenge than originally seen, but bringing extra resource, that helped that. Throughout the process, I was being kept up to date every day on what was happening, what the progress was, and what the next steps would be. What was particularly good is at all stages, everything was kept nice and tidy, clean, and it was very clear that it was well organised. Once the installation was complete, I was talked through the system as a whole, how it worked and how the apps would operate, making sure I was signed up correctly on all of the apps. And really, after that, it was really just getting used to the system. Found a few small minor snags, but this is where good after sales kicked in. Any questions I had or any issues I had were resolved very quickly. And since then, we've had a few bad days with sun and a few good days with sun. And it's actually proved that the system overall is well specified and it covers all conditions. I think one of the things I was always keen on is not just look for the cheapest quote. For a project of this nature, cheapest quote isn't necessarily going to get you, it'll get you maybe the specification, but it won't get you the quality of build and the integration that you would need to move this forward. One of the big benefits of Oval is they work across different platforms, the different suppliers, they're not a one supplier shop, so they'll work out which system is best for you. And I think that's one of the key things, is really just to make sure that you're not just buying off the shelf whatever someone else thinks is good. It's always good to have that discussion. I think the other bit of advice would be really be flexible. So initially I had a view of where I wanted the solar panels, but that didn't ultimately materialise. But because we were installing this in the garage, it was quite then an easy decision to stick additional panels on the roof here. And that's actually worked quite well because we've got southeast and southwest facing, so we get morning sun and afternoon sun. So what would turn out to be something I wasn't expecting has actually turned into a good advantage. One of the things I'd strongly recommend about Oval is communication. So throughout the process, there's been very good communication of what's been happening, how things progress, and also really getting to understand what my requirements were and how that would fit. But I think the other thing I would recommend as well is when you're choosing a supplier of solar panels, not just look at who can do the installation, but who's going to be around longer term and who can give you long-term support. And I think for me, I saw that in Oval, and I'm quite excited that actually Oval's moving into other areas, which is what I might do in the future, such as heat pumps. I'd like to thank all of the team Oval for their work, especially Simon leading the charge, but also Alex for an amazing design, and the on-site team who really did amazing work.